Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a Roblox voice chat keeps closing. To know how to fix or how to solve voice chat keeps stopping, you should just go to settings. Then this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about this window of Roblox. When you'll find this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to this window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. But don't click here clear data because that can make a problem on your application. And then you can turn off your phone to fix your problem on Roblox. So please don't forget to support us via like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.